So for this problem, to evaluate the integral of sine to the power 4 2x times cosine to the power 4 2x. So first, since we can write this given as the integral of sine 2x times cosine 2x, then quantity to the power 4. So putting this exponent 4 outside, then from this, so using this identity, that sine A times cosine A is equal to 1 half times sine 2A, and A is equal to 2x. So this becomes the integral of 1 half. Then sine, since 2A, so we have 2 times 2x. So this is 4x, then quantity to the power 4. Then the dx, or this is equal to the integral of 1 half to the power 4, then times sine 4x to the power 4, then the dx, and this 1 half to the power 4 is equal to 1 over 16, and this is equal to sine to the power 4, then 4x, then the dx. Then we can put this constant outside the integral. So this is 1 over 16, then the integral. For this sine to the power 4, 4x, we can write this one as sine squared 4x times sine squared 4x. So this is equal to sine to the power 4. Then the dx. Then using now this identity for sine squared 2x. So we have 1 over 16, then the integral for this sine squared 4x. So that's equal to 1 half, then times 1 minus cosine, since 2a and a is equal to 4x. So this becomes 8x. Then for this, so the same identity, so this is 1 half, then times 1 minus cosine, again, a is 4x, and we have this 2 times a. So 2 times 4, this one is 8x. Then the dx. Then to simplify, so we need to multiply all the constant. So multiply this 16 times 2, that's 32. And 32 times 2, this one is 64. So we have 1 over 64. So outside the integral, then we have now 1 minus cosine 8x, then times 1 minus cosine 8x, then the dx. Then using now the FOIL method, so we have 1 over 64, then the integral. So multiply, so this is 1. Then 1 times negative cosine 8x, so this is negative cosine 8x, and this one, that's negative cosine 8x. This is negative times negative, so this is positive, and this is cosine squared 8x, then the dx. Then to simplify, so this is 1 over 64, then the integral of 1. Then for this negative cosine 8x and negative cosine 8x, or this is negative 1 and negative 1. So this is negative 2, then cosine 8x, then plus. So for this cosine squared, so using this identity, so this is equal to 1 half, then times 1 plus, since cosine 2a and a is equal to 8x, so 2 times 8, so this becomes cosine 16. Then we have the dx. Then to integrate now every terms, so this becomes 1 over 64. So we have now the integral for this term, 1 dx. Then for this term, so put the constant outside. Then we have the integral of cosine 8x, then the dx. Then plus for this term, so put 1/2 outside, then a bracket, then the integral of 1 dx, then plus for this term, the integral of cosine 16x, then the dx. Then to evaluate now the integral, so this is bring down this 1 over 64. Now for the integral of dx, this is x, then minus, so bring down the constant, then times. The integral of cosine is sine 8x, then over the derivative of 8x, that's 8, then plus, so bring down this 1/2. Then we have now the integral of dx, this one is x, then plus the integral of cosine is sine 16x over the derivative of 16x, that's 16, then plus c. Then to simplify, so this is 1 over 64, then times, so we have x, minus, so this one is 2 over 8, then sine 8x, then distribute, so plus 1/2 x, distribute, so plus, so this 2 times 16, this one is 32, so 1 over 32 sine 16x, then plus c. Then to simplify, so observe that we can combine this x and 1/2 x, so this is 1 plus 1/2, or this is equal to 2 plus 1 over 2, or this is equal to 3 over 2. So therefore, this becomes 1 over 64, then times. So again, we combine these two terms, and that's equal to 3 over 2. Then x, then minus. So 2 over 8 is 1 over 4. So this one is divisible by 2. Then sine 8x, then plus this 1 over 32, then sine 16x, then plus c. Then this time, multiply this 1 over 64. So this one is 3, then over 64 times 2. This is 128, then x, then minus, then to this term, so this is 1 over 64 times 4. This one is 256, then sine 8x, then to this term, so plus 1 over 64 times 32. So since 64 times 32, so that's 2048. So this is over 2048, then sine 16x, then plus c.